FM. Welcome back once again. Please, if today is your first time or visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So we are looking at this equation. We have to solve and find x plus y plus z. Okay, so from here, you can multiply equation 1 by equation 2 and by equation 3. Okay, so doing that, we are going to get xy multiplied by yz multiplied by zx, and it's equal to 12 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 24, like this. So to simplify this, we are going to get x squared multiplied by y squared multiplied by z squared, which is equal to 12 times 18 times 24. We are getting 5,184. Like this. So in algebra, x squared, y squared, z squared, we can rewrite it as x, y, z all squared, which is equal to 5,184. Like this. So with this, you can take square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides, get x, y, z all squared, which is equal to 5,184 all squared. So this square will cancel the root here, leaving x, y, z is equal to square root of 5,184 is 72. So this is what we are getting. Okay, so our x, y, z is equal to 72. So from equation 1, we have x, y is equal to 12. Okay, x1 is equal to 12. So our z is going to be xyz on xy. Okay, because when this cancels, z is z. Okay, but then we know xyz to be 72. Say that z is equal to 72 on xy, and xy is 12. So our z here, 72 on 12, we are getting 6 for z. Now let's continue from equation 2. Okay, from equation 2, we have yz is equal to 18. So yz is equal to 18. Yz is equal to 18. So our x is equal to xyz on yz. Okay, on yz. So x is equal to 72 on yz, which is 18. So our x is equal to 72 over 18. We are getting 4. So our x is 4. Now let's look for our z. So z, you can see that from equation 3. Okay, from equation 3, our z, so from equation 3, which is from equation 3, we are going to get, so from equation 3, which is zx is equal to 24. So our y is going to be x, y, z on zx. So our y is equal to 72 on 72 on 24. So our y is going to be 72 on 24. Now let's come to the main question. Okay, the main question, which is x plus y plus z, of which we are looking for. So our main question, x plus y plus z is equal to, so our x is 4 plus our y, which is 3, plus our z, which is 16. Okay, so which is equal to 6 rather. So which is equal to 6. So 4 plus 3, which is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, we are getting 13. So it's 13. So our final answer for this problem is 13. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and tricky questions. Thank you for doing that. Bye-bye.